Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a Christmas winter floral arrangement. So come on with me guys. Now this, let me go ahead and tell you where I got the items from. So this is the tall cylinder vase from the Dollar Tree, $125. This was some ribbon I also got from the Dollar Tree. So you get 3 yards in this. So we're using some of that. Now this was from Hobby Lobby and it was 50% off. So it's $1.99. I actually paid 99 cents. And look at all of the candy cans that you get in there. Now if I don't put the candy cans on here, you can pretty much use this for the winter because these are winter florals. I'll show them to you in a second. I may or may not put this in the center of that bow, but you can easily pull it off because it's a sticker. So you can go right from Christmas right into winter and keep that floral arrangement intact. So these all have the tags. So, and by the way, all of these came from the Dollar Tree. You won't believe how big and long these stems are. So these pods were these are not long. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tags off, guys, as I show them to you. Let me go ahead and do that. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. All right, so you see how beautiful these look? So at one time, because I got these a couple years back from the Dollar Tree, I didn't take these stems off because the vases I always use came like all the way up to here. So I didn't get a chance to take those stems off. I didn't need to, I guess, at the time. But look, they even have the pine cone. They have these spindles, I think they call it. I'm not sure, guys. Not sure how you pronounce that, but we're gonna make, it's just so beautiful. And I can't believe the length of these. So I'm gonna cut these tags off and all of them are the same. Like, look at these. So it's so pretty. And so this one doesn't have one. And you can kind of bend these a little bit. You gotta be careful. All this fuzz is coming off because they were in my bin. And it's gonna be fine by the time we get done decorating this arrangement. I just wanna take these tags off. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope all your Christmas stuff is all done. I am looking forward to going on my break from school. Get some rest in there. And yeah, I'm very happy and excited about that. And also, I just love decorating for Christmas. So here's another one, and look at all the stuff that's on it, guys. Like, it's just amazing. Like, it's just beautiful. I can't believe the Dollar Tree was carrying these. I'm almost positive that's where I got these, because I remember quite a bit of stems I got from there that were tall, and that's exactly where they came from. So they've been in my bin for a while. They've actually traveled from Pennsylvania here. Okay, so once I get these off, then we're gonna go ahead and make that bow. And then we'll go ahead and place the arrangements together. There's a particular way I like to do it since we have only two stems of the pods. All right. And then you want to make sure that the pine cones and some of this stuff is falling off. But you want to make sure, I never throw anything away, so I keep that on the side. And you just want to make sure that everything's pointing in the direction that you want it to. And anything that falls off, I'm going to keep on the side. I have to make an arrangement for school, and so that's going to be really nice. All right, so these things, I just used them for DIYs, and this one got pretty beat up though. This one here, so we want to make sure and get that off of there. And so I think I can work with the rest. So I'll put these on the side, and then we'll go ahead and work on the bow. Now, I'm not sure if I want to tie the bow right on here. I think I do. Okay, so we just want to cut. Let me see. I was going to use the hot glue. You know, the hot glue is not, the hot glue does not take well to glass, just so you know. It doesn't stick unless you're using another adhesive with it. And so I may as well use the whole thing and just let it dangle. Maybe we can twist the bottom because these do have wires. All right, so as far as I'm concerned, you can never go wrong with buffalo check. So we're going to take the two ends and we are going to dovetail. So I placed the two pieces together, guys, and then I fold it over. Then we're going to come at an angle like this, okay, and we're going to make the dovetails, which is like a triangle, see that? And then what I want to do, okay, so I think I can go around this twice. We're going to come here, and then I'm going to come around. All right, yep, I'm going to come around, and we probably should come a little bit lower, or maybe higher, let's see. Trying to figure out how I want to do this because of those long stems. Okay, so let me go ahead and make the bow. We might be able to make a big bow. See, in some cases you don't need to use the hot glue because it will stay. In other cases I would use it just because I don't want something to move, but that's not the case here. Okay. And what I like about this buffalo check ribbon is that the buffalo check is on both sides. Okay, so I can go ahead and make this like make the bow bigger, and then here we have the tails. So let me just work on the top. And then we'll work on the tails, and then we'll be ready to do the arrangement. See, I didn't have to do anything here, and that's what I like. And if you can get both sides the same, it works out really good when you're doing the bow. If you get one side in one color, let's say white on one side and then the pattern on the other side, then you're gonna have to do some twisting, okay? I think I like it like this because I thought it was gonna be hanging down lower, and it's not. And if you want, you can go ahead and twist it, which I like to do. I don't know, we'll see. I just want to make sure this top bow first is looking really nice. So these twists here, I don't know, I would like that one to go that way. You can see, so I really would like this one to kind of twirl that way instead of inward. And then this one, we'll kind of twirl it too. This will make a nice gift, and let me see if I'm saying that right, and an inexpensive gift, okay, because you got $1.25 for the ribbon. And who doesn't like black and white? But some people like colorful stuff, and it's nice and tight. Okay, so here we have the vase. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just the bow there. Or you can straighten the bows out. I kind of like it like that. Okay, now we're going to start placing the stems in. So I'm gonna hold on to these pods because I only have, I think, 2 I see. And so we'll decide where we place these pods. We'll do that last. So let's see, so I'm gonna come in with this one. Okay, so place one stem. It's not gonna stay. It's also heavy because of these cones. Here's the other one. And I'm gonna put them all in there. It's gonna look beautiful, guys. So let's see. See how nice that is? Now, if I should decide to put one of these stickers, which I'm changing my mind about that, you can place it right in the center right here. And when Christmas is over, just pull that part off and you can continue leaving this up for the whole winter because these are winter stems. Now, I know these glittery pine cones, if you don't like them, you can take them off. I don't have a problem with them, so I would leave them right there. I think they look nice. I think it just kind of, because I'm not putting anything else in here, it gives it just looks really nice, I think. Forward a little bit. These are kind of heavy, and I like the fact that the cylinder base is tall because of the weight, and the long stems too. But the weight, because these pine cones, these things are heavy. So I think this is really pretty, just like this. I don't think that you can like try to flare them out a little bit. I think it looks very beautiful like that. I even like the touch of this pine cone right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take these pods, try to get that cotton back in there. That looks nice. So now, and this helps it to give it that winter touch. Also, it breaks up the, look how beautiful that is, guys. It just breaks up the look of these stems. It screams winter to me. And then one over here. Yeah, how nice that is, guys. Look at that. I think that is so beautiful. It makes a beautiful gift. Like I said, you're buying the stems, and then I don't think this cost me more than $10 to make, and that's because I had to purchase each stem separately, even though it was $1. So you just add up everything, it's probably about $10. This makes a great gift. And so let me back you up just a little bit so that you can see it. It's really beautiful winter arrangement. And so I am loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that candy cane sticker out. Otherwise I would stick it right there in the middle, or you could still do that again and just pull it off, or just leave it. This is a nice winter beautiful arrangement. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.